Hey, crypto trading friends. This is going to be video number 5 out of 17 of my Crypto Trading for Beginners series, and today I will be talking to you guys about secure wallet storage and why you guys will want a secure wallet to use alongside trading the crypto market. But before we actually dive into the video, for those of you who are looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto futures on and would like to try the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. So guys, when it comes to trading, all right, when it comes to trading, especially if you're trading crypto futures, you're not going to want to keep all of your trading capital on the exchange that you're trading on at all times, all right? And the reason why is simply because if the exchange ever gets hacked or some other random crap happens out of nowhere, you won't lose all of your trading capital because you will have the majority of it sitting in secure wallet storage instead of on the exchange, all right? So, realistically, what you want to do is only send over a small amount of your trading capital to the exchange at a time, all right? For example, me personally, I keep all of my trading capital in a secure non-custodial wallet, and I only keep about $20,000 on the exchange at any given time, which is a very, very small percentage of my total trading capital overall. And when my trading capital or when my trading account reaches $50,000 from profiting from trading on the exchange, then what I do is I go ahead and I move that extra $30,000 profit back to my secure wallet storage so that it's not sitting on the exchange. All right. Overall, it's all about managing risk, and you do not want extra funds that you're not trading with to be sitting on the exchange. All right. So, you might be asking yourself which wallets are the best to use. And my answer is going to be it's honestly all up to you, all right? Because non custodial wallets are only as safe as you keep them safe, all right? Now, considering all wallets do the same exact thing and keep your funds safe, what I won't do here is I won't be suggesting wallets that I have not used myself in the past. That wouldn't be fair, simply because I don't feel like that would be I just don't feel like that would be a fair thing to do since I haven't used them and I have no idea how they are, all right? But the wallets that I have used in the past that I personally know are secure and work great are wallets such as Exodus, which personally, I've been using this Exodus wallet for about 4 years now, and it's been great for me. But then there's also wallets like the Phantom wallet, there's the MetaMask wallet, there's the Trust wallet, there's the Atomic wallet, there's the Coinbase wallet if you're a Coinbase user, and honestly, there's many, many more. Realistically, what you want to do is you want to go to Google. If you don't want to try out Exodus like I'm suggesting, then go ahead and go to Google and type in best non-custodial wallets to use, and just go through the list and pick whatever one you want. All right, they all do the same thing. All right, but honestly, there is no best. There is no best non-custodial wallet that's going to be, the best out of every other wallet out there. Again, they all pretty much do the exact same thing. So realistically, it's all up to you personally and what you feel you need in a crypto wallet. All right. But if you're looking for something that you can just, move funds from your wallet to the exchange, this and that very fast, I mean, you can just download Exodus and just kind of do it from there. All right. It's pretty simple. But overall, here, guys, the whole point of having secure wallet storage as a trader is so that you do not have to keep all of your trading capital on the exchange at all times, all right? Which means you can go to sleep at night knowing that your funds are going to be safe and aren't susceptible to being hacked if the exchange that you're trading on ever does get hacked, all right? Now, guys, in the next part of this 17 video beginner series, I am going to be talking about funding your account on whatever exchange you decided to use for crypto trading. And most exchanges are pretty much the same as far as the process that it takes to fund your account. So the next video will not be very long, just like this one wasn't, okay? But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about learning and you have not already joined, then I would like to go ahead and invite you to my premium crypto trading education Discord, where you can ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help whenever you want it, and you can see how I trade in real time, and you can get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find a link to join that Discord server in the description below this video. Outside of that though, guys, if you guys enjoyed this one and you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below this video to help me out. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this whole video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and hey, I hope to see all of you guys in my future videos.